Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show what to do when a Zigbee device has a weak signal because it's too far from the gateway, and how we can boost that signal using another device, in our case, an electrical outlet. Anything that works as a repeater will strengthen the Zigbee signal. We start by checking the current signal strength of our temperature sensor. In the app, we choose wave health, and we refresh the value. Right now, the signal reads 184. Now we move the sensor farther away. As you can see, the signal drops to 120, which is already quite weak, so we'll add an electrical outlet to help. This device has multiple benefits. We can switch it on and off, we can use it as a powered outlet, and it also works as a Zigbee repeater to extend range. A good rule is to place it about halfway between the sensor and the gateway. Once it's plugged in, we open the app and choose Menu, Settings, then add Wave I/O to add the electrical outlet. Now we put the outlet into pairing mode. We press and hold its button until it starts blinking. A few seconds later, it appears in the app. We name it Smart Plug, then choose Save and Continue and Finish. Now the Smart Plug shows up, and we can already switch it on and off from the dashboard. Next, we check the Smart Plug signal strength. It reads 220, which is excellent. Now we check the temperature sensor again. After adding the plug, the Zigbee network will usually rebuild itself automatically over time and improve the route. But to speed this up for testing, we re-add the temperature sensor so it connects through the repeater right away. After doing that, we check wave health again. And now the sensor signal is 200, which means it's significantly stronger. This improvement would happen automatically as the network stabilizes, but re-adding the device is a quick way to confirm the repeater is doing its job. And that's it. See you in the next video.